The truth is, envy can attack you like a shadow, stealing your peace, your strength, and even your luck. It doesn't matter how hard you try. If someone is projecting jealousy and heavy energy onto you, your life can feel stuck, tense, and full of setbacks. But here's the good news. Envy only has power if you let it in. And today I'll show you 3 powerful rituals you can do at home to break envy, clear negative energy, and restore your protection. Stay until the end, because the 3rd ritual is the strongest. It creates a daily energetic shield around you. Envy is not just a feeling, it's a real energetic force. When someone looks at your life with resentment, anger, or the desire to take what you have, they are literally sending dense energy your way. And here's the key. You don't need to believe in the evil eye to be affected. Just like heat exists, whether you believe it or not, the energy of envy also works. Clear signs of envy affecting your field. Things that used to flow easily suddenly get stuck. Sudden, unexplained fatigue, frequent small accidents or setbacks. Relationships becoming tense for no reason. But remember, envy only sticks when it finds resonance. Moments of stress, insecurity, or lack of spiritual protection. When you are strong, grateful, and conscious of your energy, envy simply bounces back. The first ritual is classic and very powerful. The cleansing bath. You will need coarse salt, rue leaves, or rosemary bay leaves, and water. How to do it. Boil 1 liter of water with 2 tablespoons of coarse salt and a handful of herbs. Let it cool until lukewarm and strain. Take your regular shower first. Then slowly pour the mixture from your neck down, visualizing heavy energy washing away down the drain. While doing this, repeat. All envy and heavy energy that do not belong to me are now washed away and transmuted. Only love and light remain with me. Do this for 7 consecutive days in the evening. You may feel tired at first, that's the heavy energy being removed. Soon after, you'll feel lighter and freer. Do not perform this bath if you are menstruating or have open wounds. The second ritual is simple yet effective. Using a crystal as your energetic guardian. You'll need a crystal of clear quartz, amethyst, or black tourmaline. How to do it. Hold the crystal in your hands and breathe deeply for a few minutes. Visualize it, absorbing all heavy energy that doesn't belong to you. Repeat out loud or silently. I am protected. My energy is clean and untouchable. Everything that does not belong to me dissolves now. Place the crystal at a fixed spot in your home, ideally near the entrance. As a guardian, fun fact, psychologists studying physical anchors explain that linking an object with a feeling of protection reinforces confidence. Even if you don't believe in the crystal itself, your mind interprets the ritual as a symbol of strength, boosting your natural protection. The third ritual is the most powerful because it creates continuous defense. How to do it. Every morning, imagine a bubble of golden white light descending around you, expanding until it forms a shield about 1 meter from your body. Say, I am under the protection of divine light. No negative energy can touch me. Only harmony and positivity surround my path. During the day, if you feel someone's heavy look, visualize your shield activating, bouncing negative energy away as white light. At night before sleep, repeat the visualization and give thanks for the protection. Over time, this becomes like a spiritual immune system. Many people notice that after a few weeks of consistency, envy no longer affects them, almost as if envious people can't even see them energetically. Never perform these rituals with anger or revenge in mind. What you send out comes back. Keep it private. Don't broadcast your rituals. Discretion protects your energy. Notice the signs of improvement. More lightness, life flowing again, negative people leaving, opportunities reappearing. Maintenance is key. Cleansing bath once a month, daily visualization, crystal kept clean energetically, practice gratitude. Grateful people vibrate so high that envy rarely reaches them. Envy is real, but you don't have to be its victim. With these 3 simple rituals, you have powerful tools to protect yourself, cleanse negativity, and keep your energy strong. Tell me in the comments, which ritual will you try first? If this video resonated with you, leave a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this protection. Remember, your energy is your responsibility. Protect it, cleanse it, and keep shining. The world needs your light.